GoPro on. Okay, so this is the new one. This is the old one. Kind of a stereoscopic kind of thing. We'll see if this works, but I'm not doing it for the stereoscopic stuff. I'm doing it for, if I can talk to you right here. Dude, I'm like a freaking Mickey Mouse here. Doing it for, can't see like either one. I'm doing it for hopefully a test. I put in two brand new memory cards, 128 gigabyte memory cards. They're supposed to be like 8K cards that can handle, I don't know, 300 megabits per whatever second or something. I don't even know, dude. I don't know how any of it works. They just are new memory cards. Fresh charged batteries. We'll see if this even stinking works. So I've got batteries to kind of, batteries to kill on this thing here. 1, 2, 3. So, and there's a problem with these littles. So my question is, can they run in snow? It looks like it actually can. I'm gonna take it out back. God, this thing is so tiny. Whoa! Whoa! Alright. Let's take it out back and see what it does. Oh, in the backyard ice track. Kind of been waiting. Look at all these acorns, dude. Gotta get rid of these stinking trees. Stereoscopic. Watch both GoPros fail. All I did was rawly take the memory cards out and toss them in. So what I'm hoping is that the snow is frozen enough. It doesn't look like it is. Crap, dude. Because with this truck, because it's so, you know what I'm saying? So low to the ground. Yeah, that's what I kind of thought. It does go, but it's gonna get stuck fast. Yeah, look at that. It's already getting stuck, dude. That's full boat. Yeah, nah. Nope, can't run it. Damn it, dude. I was really hoping I'd be able to. Nah. Nope. That was full rip. The snow is just too thick. And it's pretty frozen, too. So, it's worth a shot, I guess. Just want to get out and have some fun with this thing. So it's a limited use vehicle. You know what I'm saying? You get the bigger stuff. That's why you pay the bigger price. You can take it more places. More places normally equals more fun. So this is almost like a indoor kind of thing. So if you got access to like a, I don't know, warehouse during the wintertime, something like this is pretty cool. But I'm gonna run it right here anyway. I will say the thing screws. Damn fast, dude. This thing is damn fast. Full rip. My God. Should put the windshield on this. The RC Guy Garage Mojave windshield. Oh my God. I didn't expect it was going to do that. Epic. We'll say, man, it really handles gonna wear out these tires. It's leaning to the right. I don't know what's up with that. I wonder why it's leaning. Jeez. See how it's looking. Got the sticker coming off on the front here. Damn it, dude. Thing's awesome. Thing screws. Oh, this thing is actually pretty mint on 3S. I was thinking it was too fast. It ain't. It's just right. Look at that. This is that 1300 milliamp pack too. This thing's just eating that thing alive. God, it just does the Mojave float. I love this thing. Mojave was definitely the right one to get. I mean, I know people like the Typhon and everything, but for me, the Mojave is stinking mint. Standing here slightly off. Oh no. Oh, is that low cut already? Yeah, that's low cut. Well, that's what that 1300 milliamp pack does. Gives you a pretty quick low cut. So I'm just gonna put that right there. Take this dual mount off my head. Actually looks like both stinking cameras are going. They're both about the same time. So this is the old one, this is the new one. Both of them have brand new memory cards in it, so we'll see if this works, man. It says that was 8 minutes, so he ran 8 minutes, I guess, since when I pressed the on button. These Browns really ain't no joke. They really are pretty slick RCs, I'll tell you that. So anyways, RC Guy Garage, and I'm out. Well, can I do this at the same time? Double click. Alright, so just came in from the outside. Car's still running. What I wanted to do was just show you what I did here. So I just have a dual mount. Like I said, as far as the stereoscopic stuff goes, that would be kind of a cool idea. But I'm not sure if that would work, because don't the cameras kind of have to be separated a little bit further than they are? I don't know. Maybe not. I don't even know how it would work. I don't even know how to put it together, but it seemed like they worked. The way I could kind of tell is if I would touch the back of the screens, the screen would either stay black screen or it would show that it was frozen in time. It didn't do that this time, so we'll see. Hopefully the memory card, this is what I ended up getting. I know I said 8K, it's 4K. 8K means I got 2, right? So you take 2 of these cards, stick it in, it means 8K. You know what I'm saying? 8 plus 8 is 16S. So 4 plus 4 is 8K. So anyways, 128, 200 megabyte read or something like that. I don't know. It was just, this was supposed to actually go for the GoPro camera. So, and that's specifically why I got this particular one. This is called the Pro Elite. Hopefully these cards are going to work. 2 chips right there, and it gives you the little adapter card. So, I think this was like 20 bucks or 25 bucks or something like that. So, it's not that much pain. Because the big pain is when you get frozen footage and stuff doesn't work. So, that's why I'm doing the whole 2 camera thing. 2 cameras guy, we'll see if that works. So anyways, it's RC Guy Garage. That was just a short rip. I just gotta burn packs right now. It's high 20s, and you know what? It is what it is, man. It's New England way of living. We ain't any of those Floridian wine bags. That wine bag that they gotta throw a sweatshirt on walking out their door. So anyways, I was out ripping it up in the New England weather, and I love it. What about you? Actually, I don't love it because I do want to change my location at some point. At some point, I do want to change. We both do. Slightly longer, warmer season is all I'm looking for, and I'm pretty sure my wife's on the same page. It's just the only thing, man. We set up shop here in Massachusetts. Mistake number 1. All right, not sure if everybody's gonna get this. Let's see, how can I do this? So you can see there's like a highlighted clip right here, right? So this is this one plus this one. See what I'm saying? Like, you've got those 2 clips, and then if you go up here, this is the other GoPro. So this is one GoPro. Both GoPros, the buttons were... How do I even explain this? Both GoPros were pressed at exactly the same time. One of them clicked on, I think you got the beeps, right? So it did like the beep or beep, beep, beep. I forget how it goes. How does the GoPro go when it starts recording? I think it does like a single beep or something. I can't remember, dude. I actually can't remember. But it does something to let you know there's a recording, right? Well, I clicked them both at the same time using, one finger on each hand, and I felt them click at the same time. One of them turned on faster. Can't remember which one turned on faster. But it's weird how the footage is oddly separated. So maybe I can go into another file here. So if I go into this, yeah, here we go. All right, see these 2 files right here? See how both of those say GX1, wait a minute. Okay, so that's GX2. All right, so this one is one camera. This is another camera. So I just feel like it's odd that one camera recorded the entire thing, same memory card, same exact settings, everything is same exact, where this one did it in 2 files. Can't figure that out. I'm not sure exactly what's going on with that. So that was just something that I noticed between the 2 GoPros.